Is AI going to replace insurance adjusters? Or is that just a convenient reason to stop training, sit back, and do nothing? Here is the honest answer. AI is already being used to handle some of the easier parts of the claims process. A cracked windshield, a minor fender bender with clear photographs, and a clean police report. Straightforward claims where the damage is obvious, the documentation is complete, and the numbers are relatively simple. Insurance companies are already using automated systems to review information, identify damage, calculate estimates, and move certain claims through the process faster. And that technology is not going away. But here's what people often get wrong. Just because AI can help process a claim does not mean it can replace the judgment of a skilled adjuster. AI cannot climb onto a roof after a hailstorm and determine whether the marks on those shingles are legitimate hail damage, normal wear, installation damage, or granule loss caused by age. It cannot walk through a home where a tree has crashed through the living room and fully understand what that family is dealing with. It cannot look the homeowner in the eye, explain what happens next, answer difficult questions, and keep the situation from becoming even more stressful. And this does not apply only to field adjusters. Desk adjusting is also changing. AI can help a desk adjuster summarize claim notes, review photographs, compare estimates, identify missing documents, organize correspondence, and flag inconsistencies in a file. That can make the desk adjuster faster. But faster does not automatically mean better. AI cannot always determine why two estimates are different. It cannot reliably decide whether a contractor supplement is reasonable. AI cannot decide whether the field documentation actually supports the requested repairs or whether the file contains enough information to make a sound coverage decision. It cannot call a policyholder, contractor, or field adjuster, ask the right follow-up questions, and recognize when the explanation does not match the documentation. A good desk adjuster does more than just move a file from one status to another. They review the entire claim, understand the policy, and evaluate the evidence. That requires judgment. That requires experience. That requires an adjuster who understands construction, policy language, damage evaluation, documentation, estimating, and communication. That is the real job. And that job is not going anywhere. What is changing is the standard. If technology handles more of the simple and repetitive work, then the claims left for human adjusters will increasingly be the files that require actual skill. Those claims will require better inspections. They will require stronger photographs, clearer notes, more accurate estimates, better file reviews, better communication, and the judgment to defend every decision made in the claim. The adjuster of the future will not be the person who tries to compete against AI. It will be the person who knows how to use technology while still doing the work technology cannot do. For a field adjuster, that may mean using AI to organize inspection notes, identify missing photographs, or help prepare a clear report. For a desk adjuster, it may mean using AI to summarize a large file, compare estimates, review correspondence, or identify areas that need additional investigation. But the adjuster is still responsible for the final product. Your name is still on the file, your judgment is still being reviewed, and your reputation is still being built one claim at a time. So what does this mean for your training? Do not stop at learning enough to pass the licensing exam. Learn how to work a claim from the driveway to the final report. Learn how to inspect a roof properly. Learn how to identify and document damage. Learn how to write an estimate that matches what you actually saw. Learn how to review someone else's estimate. Learn how to evaluate supplements. Learn how to communicate with policyholders, contractors, and managers. And learn how to document every file like someone is eventually going to audit it. Because somebody probably will. The adjusters who should be concerned about AI are the ones who are only planning to handle the easy files. But if you are willing to learn the entire job, AI is not the end of your opportunity. It may actually make a skilled adjuster more valuable. The industry will still need field adjusters who can investigate damage correctly. It will still need desk adjusters who can make sound decisions and bring the claim to a proper conclusion. The question is not whether AI is coming. It is already here. The real question is whether you are preparing yourself to work alongside it or using it as an excuse not to prepare at all What is the biggest question you have about how AI is changing the field or desk adjuster's day-to-day job? Drop it in the comments. I will give you a straight answer. Like and subscribe for more takes like this.